In this video, I'll show you how to remove your profile picture from the Microsoft Teams app in just a few simple steps. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once Teams is open, look at the top right corner of the app and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, look for your profile picture and click on it. You'll see options to change or remove your photo. Select Remove Photo to delete your current profile picture. If a confirmation message appears, confirm the action. Once the photo is removed, your profile picture will reset to the default initials or icon. After removing the photo, go back to Microsoft Teams. You may need to sign out and sign back in, or restart the app for the change to fully update. And that's it. You've successfully removed your profile picture from the Microsoft Teams app. If the remove option is not available, keep in mind that some work or school accounts are managed by an organization. In that case, profile picture changes may be restricted, and you'll need to contact your IT administrator for help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below if you want more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.